Let's practice the string formatting in Python Jupyter. You can, for instance, computer fix a code that is missing a syntax, or find the area of a square with side 5 centimeters. How about modifying your code to display one decimal place only? You can also calculate how many weeks are there in a year. As you can see, when I run the code, I get a syntax error, EOL, while scanning string literal. Let's fix this. A part of quotation was missing in order to print out the string. Add it, and voila, it works. We have a good number with 15 digits after the dot. You may need to have a full number with no decimals. You will add a colon and a dot to the number you want after the dot. In our case here, we need no number. Therefore, we use 0 followed by f. Another useful example of f string, when for instance you are calculating the area of a square with side of 5 centimeters. This is a different approach as we are dealing with numbers and multiplication. For f string to work properly, we will need curly brackets in order to compute the square area. For this example, we are dealing with two things, displaying a decimal place 1 and converting square feet into meters squared. Again, we will need a curly brackets and a number that helps us convert 0.092903, and we want only one number after the dot. What do? We need a colon, followed by a dot, and one f, meaning just only one digit after the dot. Let's run the code and see what happens. 1200 square feet gives us 111.5 meters squared.